Hi, I'm Rodelia. The brainstorming methods I use is free writing. 3 topics are 1. Nursing workforce. 2. What is the value of education? And 3. Do plants give positive energy? My number 1 topic, nursing workforce. Nurses nowadays are facing a dynamic and evolving healthcare landscape characterized by both challenges and opportunities. They are relied increasingly upon for a wider range of roles, from direct patient care to leadership innovation, while experiencing workforce shortages and increased stress. Nursing is a dynamic and evolving profession that is essential to healthcare system. The purpose of this statement is to address issues and advocates improvements related to working conditions and overall well-being of nurses. My number 2 topic is what is the value of education? Education shows the importance of hard work and dedication to help us grow and develop. Having education helps people get a better paid job just to sustain daily needs for societies becoming high cost of living. In conclusion, education is an individual's foundation for personal growth, economic progress, and social transformation. In essence, the statement of purpose of education is to focus on your career and aspirations to achieve them. My number 3 topics is, do plants give positive energy? Well, texture, form, size, and color are the physical characteristics of plants. Houseplants gives positive energy, not only purify the air, but also create a tranquil and stress-free environment. Besides being essential to life in our planet, plants add beauty and charm with their unique forms and color. The purpose of this topic is to make people aware that plants has an environmental benefits that can help purify the air by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. That's all. Thank you.